China's Evergrande has defaulted. Fitch has just today reported that Evergrande is officially in default. So let's take a closer look. Debt-crippled Chinese property giant Evergrande has defaulted for the first time, Fitch Ratings Agency has reported today. As authorities scramble to avoid contagion throughout the world's second biggest economy. And of course, this is happening not just to Evergrande, but is across the entire Chinese real estate market sector. On Thursday, Fitch confirmed the company had defaulted for the first time on $1.2 billion worth of bond debt and has downgraded the firm's status. And as I said, it's not just Evergrande, this is across the entire Chinese property market. So Fitch has reported that Kaiser, which is a smaller property company, has defaulted on $400 million worth of bonds. And more than 10 Chinese real estate firms have defaulted in the second half of this year. So this problem is getting worse, and the Chinese real estate market is one of the biggest asset markets in the entire world. So the risk here is of systemic contagion in the wider global financial markets. And this is what we cover on this channel. We're looking for the signs of the next financial crash. If you go over to boombustinvest.com, and the link will be in the description, and you can sign up on the homepage there to get the newsletter where we cover each month where these risks are, and I'll cover what I'm doing to protect my capital and my investments. So the people that need to say don't worry about this are of course saying that. So the head of Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission is trying to downplay it, saying that this doesn't resemble anything like the 2008 global crash. And of course they would say that because if they don't, then we probably will see something resembling a 2008 global crash. And of course the People's Bank of China, they're saying that the rights and interests of the creditors and shareholders will be fully respected in accordance to their legal authority. So that's all well and good, but neither Evergrande nor the People's Bank of China are giving much detail on exactly how this is going to be handled and what they plan to do next. And so the talk is now of the next steps being for creditors to sue Evergrande. So if that starts happening, then of course the risk in this market will build, because there's then a chance of a real collapse and an actual knock-on effect into the wider global financial markets, and that's what we'll be looking out for. So stay tuned to this channel, and we will be reporting on this if this starts to escalate into something really big.